So we've talked a lot about your health during this challenge, and that's obviously one of the biggest pluses of being whole food, plant powered. I got my Eat Plants t-shirt on this morning. But what about everything else? What about the win of being plant powered? Because here's the thing, you know, that cliche quote of be the change that you want to see in the world. Well, I know you want to see a better world. I know you want to see a cleaner planet where, you know, world hunger is ended and, you know, animals aren't treated badly anymore and all of that. So, by the way, you are the change. You are being that change right now. Congratulations. By adopting a whole food plant-based diet, you are the change in the world that this world needs. And I've outlined in this email some of the things in a little more detail, and please, I encourage you to read further and explore further, to really dig down into the implications that your way of eating has, that the ripple effect, I should say, you know, that we choose to eat in a certain way, and it really, it's pretty powerful stuff. You know, you're helping to end deforestation. And you may think, well, it's just me, it's just little me. I mean, how is that going to make a difference? But that, my friend, is the most defeatist way of looking at it. You have to understand that the changes that you make are really, really powerful. You know, you affect other people, you affect your family, you affect your friends, and it has a ripple effect. So please step up and understand that by becoming plant-based, you're helping global warming, you're helping water pollution, you're helping deforestation. Obviously, you're standing up against the horribly cruel practice of factory farming, which is where 99.9% of our meat comes from globally. So there's so much good stuff, and I just want you to feel really, really good about what you're doing beyond the health benefits. See you tomorrow.